Okay, I'm gonna write some Chinese word. So if you are able to translate to English, please help me. Okay. Okay, we have 是非, right? And vs. Okay, 是非 and 得失. Okay, 是非 good one. 得失 don't do it. 是非 You can Google this word. 集成 Sorry for my mouse. Okay, 是非集成败. When you are doing the right things from now on, you're gonna win. You're gonna stay at the end. Okay? 得失 win or loss. No, don't do that one. No, don't do that. Okay, I hope this can answer your question. Manpreet, right? Yep, do the things I love and doing it. Okay, so if you find out that, so when I'm trying to tell you guys and teach you guys about this kind of concept, if I'm not loving this kind of concept, I won't speak it in a way that you guys can understand. Okay, because I'm using my experience, how I understand this kind of concept, so I try to translate or transform it into English that you guys can know. Because I learned all this from Chinese, but I think that we have a strong history in China, 5,000 years of history, and they have a very strong, a lot of philosophers, a lot of things that's created from China. But when we try to aim for win or lose, like right now exactly, try to outweigh the Western world, they do cheap stuff. They try to earn a lot of money. That's why it creates a lot of problem right now in the earth. But when you look at when the old parts, I mean the history of China, all the kingdom, they are really nice. All the books, like Confucius, right? Tao, right? Lao Tzu, right? All these people, right? Buddhism, they're really nice. We want to study the history of the good parts of the country, then we want to spread it out to the outside world because we are connected. We need to combine the idea of maybe spiritual meditation stuff, kind of like a little bit Western English concept, compared with Chinese concept, so I can give you guys this type of connection between them. So it could be easier for you to understand and how to relate it to the reality in the normal life. Okay, so think about it. Do 是非. Don't think about 得失. This is very hard, but try to write these two words down. 是非. Okay. How to do 是非? Follow your heart. Okay, the heart's come here. When it's feeling it's the right thing to do, then go ahead and do it. But how do I know it's the right thing to do? Try to do this exercise. When you try to make a decision, lower your head. And then close your eyes and then ask the question again and then wait for the answer. Okay? Physiologically, when we lower our head, our brain is forced to offline. That's why when you can see when during the punishment, the teacher, when they punish the child, most of them they're gonna lower their head. They don't want to listen. They lower their head. Offline. Okay, close myself. And at that moment, you go within. You're asking your heart. But this is a very useful technique. Lower your head. Ask yourself. Go within. Follow your heart. The feeling is right. Another word about, so in Chinese we can say 做你有感觉的事，在有感觉的地方和你有感觉的人一起做。Okay? 在有感觉的地方和你有感觉的人做你有感觉的事。Okay, this is the rules, or this is the cheat to crack the world. Find the things you love, you have feeling of, do in the place that you have feeling of, and with the people you have feeling of. Okay?